Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're tired of spending hours at the salon or dealing with frizz on a daily basis, then today's review might just save you a lot of time and frustration. Let's talk about the MEGAWISE Pro Ceramic Ionic Hair Straightener Brush, a tool that promises salon-like results at home in just minutes. This updated 2025 version of the MEGAWISE Pro Hair Straightener Brush uses dual MCH ceramic heating units, ensuring that it heats up quickly and provides more accurate temperature control. Unlike other straighteners that rely on a single MCH unit, this brush offers better precision, reaching up to 450 degrees favors for those stubborn strands. With a sleek black design and advanced technology, it claims to give you smooth, frizz-free hair with minimal effort. One of the standout features of this straightener is its powerful ionizer and nano-coated brush teeth designed to protect your hair. With over 20 million ions per cubic centimeter, it's built to fight static, prevent moisture loss, and reduce the risk of burns. That's pretty impressive for a hair tool, right? In terms of usability, the MEGAWISE brush makes it easy to straighten your hair. I found that it worked best on dry hair, and I could easily achieve sleek, shiny results with just a single pass from root to tip. The temperature control is precise thanks to the LCD digital display, and the auto lock function ensures you won't accidentally change the heat setting mid-styling. Now let's break down some of the product's key pros and cons. On the positive side, the 20-second heating time means you're not waiting around forever for it to warm up. The dual MCH units provide fast, even heat distribution, and the 450-degree February max temperature is ideal for thicker or coarser hair types. Plus, the ionization technology really helps reduce frizz, leaving hair looking shinier and feeling healthier. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. The brush is a little bulky compared to traditional flat irons, which may take some getting used to, especially when you're trying to get close to the roots. Also, while the digital display is easy to use, the temperature adjustments can be a bit too sensitive at times. You may accidentally bump it while styling if you're not careful. When it comes to value for money, this straightener is definitely a solid investment. Considering the dual MCH heating units, ionizer, and overall build quality, it stands out as a reliable, fast-working tool for at-home styling. It's priced higher than some other options, but given its features, I think it's justified, especially if you're looking for high-performance results without the salon price tag. If you're in the market for something a little more budget-friendly, there are some great alternatives that offer similar performance. Look for Ionic hair straighteners with fast heat-up times and adjustable temperature control, though you may sacrifice the dual MCH technology for a lower price. The build quality of this straightener is excellent. The materials feel sturdy, and the design is practical, with a rotatable power cord for added convenience. It's designed to last, and the auto-off function is a great safety feature if you're someone who forgets to unplug their tools. The universal dual voltage is also a bonus if you travel frequently. As for the brand, MEGAWISE has a reputation for solid customer support, offering 24/7 live chat and a money-back guarantee. They clearly focus on continuous improvement, using feedback from customers to improve their products. That's a big win in my book. In terms of longevity, the brush should hold up well, given the high-quality construction and the durable materials used. I've been using it regularly, and it still performs as if it's brand new, which speaks to its build quality and long-term reliability. So, what's the final verdict? The MEGAWISE Pro Ceramic Ionic Hair Straightener Brush is a strong contender for anyone looking to streamline their hair routine. It works well across different hair types, delivers quick, smooth results, and is built to last. However, if you have very fine hair or are looking for something more lightweight, this might feel a bit too bulky. Overall, I would recommend this straightener to those with medium to thick hair who want something fast and effective without compromising on hair health. It certainly lives up to its claims, offering both performance and protection. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.